Let's take some time to explore the different types of poetry. Each form of poetry has unique features and purposes. The first form of poetry is the narrative poem. Narrative poems are written to tell a story. Think about the elements of a novel. Narrative poetry is characterized by plot, setting, character, and conflict. Two common forms of narrative poetry are ballads and epics. Typically set to music, a ballad has a regular rhyme scheme and rhythm. Ballads tell a story in a manner more condensed than a novel. One famous ballad is The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. The epic poem usually centers on the adventures of a hero. For example, Homer's ancient epic poem, the Odyssey, is about a Greek hero's quest to return home after war. Another form of poetry is the lyric poem. Written from the poet's perspective, lyric poems express the writer's feelings. Common lyric poems are the ode and the sonnet. An ode is a lyric poem written in honor of a person, a god, nature, or an idea. The language in an ode is often described as euphoric or romantic. John Keats's Ode to a Nightingale is a well-known ode. A sonnet is a 14-line lyric poem with a precise structure for rhyme and meter. The Shakespearean sonnet is arranged in 3 quatrains, which are 4-line stanzas, followed by a rhyming couplet, which is a pair of lines. Finally, our final form of poetry is the free verse. Like its name suggests, free verse is a form of poetry that's written without any formal structure for rhythm or pattern for rhyme scheme. Consider how American poet Walt Whitman uses free verse in A Clear Midnight to express a sense of liberation. In this example, we get a sense of freedom, away from the constraints of the laws of man, our past, and into the limitless possibilities of freedom. These 3 types are just a few of the many you will find as you explore the world of poetry.